Continuing with the fuel side of the car. We have the lower manifold. I did have my injectors in here. They were mounted. But I had an issue with the line that I was running. It wouldn't fit all the way across, so it was kind of tight. So, as you can see, I marked right there. I'm going to attempt to cut that. If I can't use my cutoff tool to get this off, I'm going to take it to work and I'm going to cut it at work. But here's going to be my first attempt at cutting it to try to free up some room. I'm hoping that this is going to work. We're about to find out. As soon as I can get it to cut on.
Push the button.
Bro, what is wrong with you? Oh, silly me.
I'm in danger.
It just sent something into my leg. It's working. It's a good thing I got on PPE because a lot of this just flew at me. But it's definitely working. So we're gonna keep trying this since this works. Still hitting me. Ooh, it's still hitting me in the face. I think I just gotta be a thug and just accept it. Oops. Oh, I thought I had broke it. Well, I got scared. So, cut that part. My clutch just fell. But this does not hurt the lower manifold at all. As you can see, there's still a lot of space left for the lower manifold. So I'm gonna try to test fit my lines again and see what happens. I really meant to say I was gonna test fit the fuel rail and try to test the line and see what happens if it's a little bit more room for it to fit secure and not fit the way that it was fitting before, because it was a tight fit. This is my fuel rail, well, one side of it. 1050cc injectors. And of course I got a line attached to it. I think we might be on to something. The other side of the fuel rail. And again, 1050cc injectors. Alright, that's in our snug. This line is a little too long. But I could try something. I'm gonna try something. Alright, so I attempted to test fit the line and I'm still having issues on this corner. So I'm gonna cut this corner too. I'm at work with it. About to cut the other side. Yeah, use it for right now. Might work.
Didn't fit, maybe I should put some lube on it, or hit it with my purse. F it, I'ma spit on it.
I got my fuel line on my hand. It didn't fit, so I'm gonna cut it some more. Try to see if I can get it fit snug. Might be good enough. Successful. I'm probably gonna cut a little bit more off right here because it's touching, but successful. Look at that. Yeah.
And now, I present to you the finished product.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah. Okay. I come from Cookville, Chicago, Southside, birthplace of me. I really be piped up on Zaza, so I stop popping beans. And all I need's a 50 Henny and 2 bags of weed. See, I didn't feel back, I won't fall off just watching the scene. I don't trust niggas if them niggas ain't the family. See, bitches Sanders, it ain't Flanders, please don't play with me. See, we real handy with them hammers, they stay with the team. She touching my garment like she wants some sexual healing. Was at the bottom, seen no problem, solidarity. My niggas seen it in me, told me go be great and leave. Last of the real is not bending, ho, I'm fly like Oppa. Don't have no opposition, cause I fuck they baby mama. Bitch, I'm a tourist with a tourist, oh yeah, how ironic. They put me up in the front, yeah, cause I'm iconic. I'm running up my bag, doing it fast like I'm Sonic. Cause every line I spit is hotter than a damn Sonic. Now where we from, Southside.